guys, it's back with another video. This is my best buddy. He makes YouTube too.
Yeah.
His name's
Mine's the Master Gamers. Linked in the description if you want.
We'll show you after this video. But today we're gonna be handcuffed for 24 hours.
Well,
so,
we can't do
like,
it for
24
hours.
10 minutes.
Because
So let's
I
get it.
have to go home soon.
Yeah, and so do we. So do I. I'm going. We're at my house, but I'm going to his house too. So, oh no, I'm not doing it this way. Yeah, we are. Go.
Ow, ow, ow.
Okay, okay. So,
All right, guys. So we're
officially started.
We're about to try to jump on the trampoline. I just.
Oh no, we're not doing that.
Well, guys, also go check out Chad. And
No, chill. Okay, I'll show
Go
you
check out
his
Chad.
Wyatt's YouTube channel in a little. But we're just gonna fool around, play
But
outside.
anyways, before we start,
I need these a little bit tighter.
Before we start bouncing on the trampoline, check out Chad and V and Exposing Project Zorgo's channel. They have gotten handcuffed so many times. It hurt a lot. They kept falling. It squeezed them. It hurted. So, guys, please smash that like button, subscribe.
Stop.
So
That's
we
so
can get
weird.
luck. I'm climbing up those.
No, we both have to climb off. Oh, we're screwed. Go. Oh, we're gonna die.
Wait. I'll take mine off though.
No, stop. Just go on. No, you can't. Just go on. That looks like your mom. Just get up. Go. No, stop. You can't. You can't undo it. No, you have to put it back.
Bro, and then get on, and then it will be easy. It will be easier though.
Hold on. Guys, I need to adjust my thing. Sorry, guys. I just took my handcuffs off.
Yeah, we had to do it because
Just to get on the trampoline. No, we should just be handcuffed to the pool for 24 hours. Ow! No! Ow! Ow! Don't jump. Don't do a back flip. Don't do that. That hurt so bad. No, I'm just like, my leg would fall off. Oh. Comment down below.
I need to
No, if you guys give us
Ethan, take those handcuffs off before you guys hurt yourself in there.
But if you guys wait, we need stop.
All right, guys. I'm sorry, but we have to stop the challenge.
No, we don't. He said get off the trampoline with him. So, but wait,
on.
I need to say something. So, 10. If you give us 100 subscribers and him,
Give me
you
1,000. Give us
100. So,
Give this. Hold on, guys.
So we
give
need-
this video 1,000 likes, and if it gets that, we will be handcuffed to the pool for 24 hours.
no, handcuffed to the pole. Well, I will, and then I'll do a backflip on the trampoline with me and Wyatt handcuffed.
Dude, I'm
For 1,000 likes, no, 1,000 subscribers, we'll be handcuffed together and do a backflip on the trampoline. Oh no, a front flip on the trampoline.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Ow, dude, that's so. No, you did it on the wrong hand. Take it off.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, put it on this hand.
No.
Put on this hand. Put on this hand. No, you need it. Look.
No, bro.
I don't know. Wyatt, here, dude.
Bro, I'm going in the pool.
No, so you stopped the challenge? No, here, handcuff.
I stopped the challenge.
No, dude, stop going in the pool. You're just using me for the pool. I'm not going in the pool, so you can't go in the pool. Yeah, I know. Stop. Don't.
Yeah, see, he said he had to get on handcuff. He just said to get on handcuff.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did. He said take it off. Hey, you want to watch? Try not to laugh instead of this.
I can't. I'm